Good morning. Vinny Cuz here, and we're gonna talk about my earnings over the week. Last week, I put out a video yesterday where I told everybody I wasn't feeling too good and missed a good 3 days. I missed the best 3 days of the week, man. The Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but it is what it is. But I got my ass back out there yesterday, and so let's just go through it real quick. On Monday, on Uber, right? 4 trips out there, 5.5 hours, $234. Didn't do anything on Lyft. Lyft was not in play on Monday, nor was it on Tuesday. Tuesday, I went out for 2 hours, picked up $93.40. Wednesday, and let's see how I can do this. We'll go here. Let's go see all activity on Lyft. Previous week. There you go. So you can see nothing on Monday and Tuesday. That $5 was a bonus or a tip carryover. On Wednesday, right? For almost 5 hours, $261 on 3 trips. All 3 of these trips were scheduled rides that I happened to pick up. So, they kind of worked out, but you can see the time frames were spread apart. So it was kind of an all day one. This one was 6:50 in the morning. The next schedule was 12:50. Pardon me. The last schedule was 5:30. This first one 6:50. I was back home in time enough to trade. This just kind of worked out for me, right? So that was Wednesday, and then you can see on both apps, right? Wednesday I didn't even turn on Uber. Thursday, Friday, Saturday offline. Thursday, Friday, Saturday offline. Came down to Sunday. I made that video yesterday. You guys can check it out. The numbers game. I got out there yesterday, 7 trips, 8 hours, 45 minutes. So we'll say 9 hours. Picked up another $291 there. And Lyft just, man, I don't know, maybe because I was doing Uber and this is what I do. If I got a request on one app, I shut off the other app. I just do it because I've already committed to a ride. I might as well go get that ride and just, be done with it and turn the app back on when I'm done the other way. But you can see Lyft didn't do nothing for me, man. Nothing. And this is what's important. You have to be able to multi-app. You can't just ride on one platform. This is why I haven't gotten the Tesla rental. And that's just being honest. I would love to run the Tesla during the week, especially when it starts slowing down. We're out of season. I don't mind running the Tesla. Uh, but if I can only work for Uber on that and I'm blocking out Lyft, I'm kind of reducing by half my opportunity. So, you got to be able to multi-app. So with all that, right? So let's see. 618 there for that week. Let's go back here. So 618, 292. What's that, like 900 and 618 plus 292. 910 for the week. 17 hours online for Uber. 10 hours online for Lyft. You can see the booking time. Wasn't a bad week. I just lost a lot of time with being down, being sick. So there it is. I know a lot of times it's doom and gloom. You can still get out here and make this money. I probably would have had a monster week if I wasn't sick, but it happens. And yeah, that's this video, man. Y'all got any comments, questions? Hit me up down below. We'll see you next time.